Love is the one thing we all talk about, but deep down, many of us don't believe we deserve it. We've been broken, overlooked, used, or betrayed, and somewhere in that pain, we start thinking God must feel the same way about us, but He doesn't. Not even close. God's love goes deeper than anything we've ever experienced. His love doesn't wait for us to clean up our life. His love doesn't back away when we fail. His love doesn't disappear when we're weak. God loves us right in the middle of the mess. And here's what hits me the hardest. God doesn't just feel love toward us. He chooses us. He sees everything about us, the mistakes, the secrets, the fears, and still says, "You're worth it. I want you."
Jesus didn't die because we were perfect. He died because His love refuses to let us stay lost, broken, or hopeless. Real love sacrifices. Real love heals. Real love lifts you out of places you thought you would never escape. And I want to tell someone this. You are not too damaged for God's love. You are not too far gone. You are not forgotten. If every human being walked out of your life today, God would still stay. His love is steady. His love is fierce. His love does not change with your mood, your mistakes, or your past. When you finally let God's love in, not the idea of His love, but the real thing, you will never see yourself the same again, because His love doesn't just touch your heart, it rewrites your whole story.